born to flex. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the money.
Hi you guys, I'm Forever Me Yosha, back at it again. And today I'm coming to you guys with a 4th of July box braid tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I do my box braids. Without further ado, I'm going to show y'all the products that I'll be using. I'm going to do the back of my head without really talking to y'all guys, but I'm going to keep it camcording so you can see me doing it. When I get to the top of my head is when I'm going to do in-depth tutorial to show you how I connect my hair to the fake hair to my hair, and I'm going to show you the products I'll be using. So let's get to the products that I'll be using, you guys. And I'm turning around just to, oh, that's my guitar. I'm sorry, my nails went through. But, yeah, I'll be using, I don't think I really want to use this, but I don't know where my other one at. So I'm going to use what I have. So I'm going to be using a mixture of the two. I'll be using Murray's Lock, Hose, Cornrows, Braids, Locks, and Twist Tightener and Longer. No flaking, no moisturizing cream and formula for natural styles. And this is how this look, you guys. Or I'll use the Mango and Lime Lock and Cream Wax. Y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm trying to get it close enough to the camera so y'all can see it. And this is also for natural hair. I got hand stuff on it. Don't clock me, you guys. This says starts and maintain locks and twists naturally. Long lasting hold, no buildup. Then also I have for my parting, because that go do, you know, that do well for your parting too, but I'm going to use this to define my parts. And this is Dark and Lovely Let's Jam Conditioning and Shine Gel Extra Hold. It said 3 times less breakage. And this is how this look, you guys. I don't know if this new or not, but I saw it in my local beauty mart. And this is what I got. Now the light probably gonna wash it out. That's why I'm doing that. But this is how this look. And the consistency of this one is blue. And it's, you know, like your typical lock and jam stuff. I don't want this on my hand right now. I'm sorry, guys. I ain't bring no towel, no nothing in here. So this will be the tools that I'll be using on this. And I also got gel to put in the front of my edges with the lock jam, because I don't use the other stuff. And also I'm just going to need some scissors. Wait, got hair in it. Scissors and a comb, you guys. Now I also be using my pick sometimes, which I just lost. But yeah, here you go. My pick to pick out my hair like this, you know, but I stretched my hair using the banding method and put on a wig so I can go to work and stuff. Also, let's get to this hair guy, the front part. So basically, I'll be using the Zuri New Like Hair Braid 100% Kankalon Fibers Natural Beauty Color. And these are 3 colors, you guys, that I'll be using. The blue, this red. The red, white, wait, which one is the white? Girl, look. White and blue. Wait, girl, look. The blue right here or whatever. And basically what I do with that is I take and I feather the ends, which I'm going to open up a pack because I'm going to start off with the blue. And excuse my guitar because I keep on hitting this right in back of me. And I have it on top of my little thing that I be putting junk in and clothes in and stuff. So basically this is how the hair look outside the pack. And it come with the little things on the end like this. And the little thing right here. And I'm going to be taking and cutting that part off. I'm not going to cut the hair in half because I'm not. because I want it to be long, and I kind of still cut some, but we're going to be all right. Now, I got only 2 packs of that blue. I got 4 packs of white and 4 packs of red. Only reason I got 2 packs of blue because I don't want all this vibrant blue all through my hair and I look like a clown or something. So basically, this is how the hair look. Not much come in a pack, but I got that stuff. It don't feel that, you know, good. So basically what I do first is I take these parts of the ends of the hair, and you see how it's all blunt. I'm just going to randomly start pulling pieces. Just pulling the pieces. And really, I'm pulling too much. But you got to hold it taut, and then you just randomly start pulling. I'm not in the frame, so you just randomly start pulling the pieces like this. So it won't be so blunt. And it can come to like a tapered thing. Some people take and just keep on taking and lifting the hair like you're parting it to plait it, and then take and do it that way. But I'm not doing that. And you want to take and comb out the other side now. You're going to lose some hair, but that's what you got to do. Now, they got the pre-stretch hair, but I only paid $22 for 10 packs of hair in my local beauty mart, so that's why I opted for this, and I just pull it out myself, you know, or whatever. And basically, if I don't get it, like if I don't get it feathered out the way I want, I'll take and do it as I'm plaiting, like as I pull it apart, if it makes any sense. But y'all see, as I'm braiding my hair, y'all see what I'm talking about. So basically, I'm going to kind of fly through the back part of my hair and film as much as I can film right now, because, you know, I'm working with 1 SIM card. But, basically, this is what we do. And I'm going to take that comb and comb it out some so it won't be having all of them, because when I take and get ready to pull a hair apart, these bumps you don't want in the hair at all, because it's going to make it a little bit more harder for you to braid and grip your hair or whatever. So basically, let me see. So basically, when you get finished doing it, it should look something like this at the ends. If you can see it, like, let's see, like this at the end. So when you plait it, it can come to this little rigid, you know, not rigid, but like a burnt, you know, a perm or whatever. And basically, that's what you want. That's what you want your hair to do or whatever. So basically, I'm going to come back when I'm at the front of my head. I'm not going to show y'all the back because y'all ain't going to better see the back anyway. I ain't got angles to show y'all and turn around and all that. So when I get to the front of my head, that's when I'm going to come back and I'm going to show y'all how I connect the braid to my natural hair, and how I'm going to show y'all when I get to it. But basically, this is the products I'll be using, and as y'all can see to the hair. So we're going to get to the tutorial, and basically what you see is what you get. I'm not really going to, I think I'm going to just come back when I'm at the front. I'm not going to bring y'all through the whole fast forward process and all that. I'll just come back when I get to the front so I can show y'all guys. So that way y'all don't have to sit there and watch me just braid repetitively, because I'm going to be doing the same thing over and over. So when I get to the front, that's when I'll come back and show you guys how to install it, you know, and what the steps I use to do it. So basically, I'll be right back, you guys, with the front part of my hair so I can show y'all how to install these plaits. So you guys, I just wanted to come back on this part and show y'all. I'm actually just doing triangular parts, and I'm parting from ear to ear from the back all the way to the front. I like to start my hair going towards the back because it's easier on my hands, and you know, like the hardest part first, I should say, and then we get to the easier part in the front. This hairstyle took me a little while, so I kind of speeded up everything, and I didn't show in depth like I said I was, because it was taking me a while, and I was trying to get ready for the family reunion. I had to go get my kids and different things like that. So basically what I'm doing right here is just measuring the hair out from ear to ear, pulling the ends down so it can not be so straight at the ends and can be kind of jagged, so it can do a feather thing at the end. So when I braid my hair hair in, I can take and have it come in the right way or whatever. So basically this is what I'm doing in this thing, and I've done basic box braids or whatever, and the colors is in red, white, and blue. If y'all like my content, press like, subscribe, and the bell button to be notified when I upload more videos. And we're just gonna go on and continue watching this video so y'all can see the progress on what I'm doing. I used all different products, but like I said, it took me a little while to do this because I was just taking my time, you know, and like I said, I was getting ready for the holidays, so I tried to get this video out for y'all, but this is the best I could do. But this is the video, you guys, and you know, just keep on watching. Bye.
Run that back, turbo.